Take a moment to check out the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Drive boldly and efficiently in the exciting Pacifica Hybrid, the minivan that's safe, comfortable, sleek, and positioned to navigate the evolving technological landscape. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, cooled front seat, lane keeping assist. Why sacrifice fuel efficiency if you don't have to? Get into the Pacifica Hybrid,